In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads into GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and how to smoothly bring a list of leads into your account so you can start nurturing them right away. First, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account and that you're in the correct location or workspace where you want these leads to live. Once you're in the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu and click on Contacts. This is where GoHighLevel keeps all of your people data, including leads, clients, and any other contacts you're tracking. When the contacts area opens, you'll see a tab called Smart Lists near the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on Smart Lists. Smart Lists are essentially filtered views of your contacts, and they're also where GoHighLevel lets you manage imports and exports. Even if you don't plan to use advanced filtering yet, this is the right place to start your import. Inside the Smart List section, look toward the upper part of the page for a button labeled Import Contacts. It's usually easy to spot above the list of contacts. Click on Import Contacts. This is the main action that tells GoHighLevel you're ready to bring in a file of new leads. As soon as you click that button, GoHighLevel will show you a series of on-screen prompts. From here on, your job is simply to follow those prompts step by step. Typically, you'll be asked to upload a file, usually a CSV, that contains the leads you want to import. Before you upload, it's a good idea to double check your file. Make sure your columns are clearly labeled, like first name, last name, email, phone, and so on. Clean, well-organized data will give you a much smoother import experience. After you upload the file, GoHighLevel will guide you through the mapping each column in your file to a field in the system. Take your time here. Confirm that name fields, email addresses, and phone numbers are matched correctly. This is also where you might choose additional options, like assigning a tag, choosing a specific campaign later, or updating existing records if there are duplicates. Once everything looks correct on the preview screen, confirm the import. The system may take a moment to process, depending on how many leads you're bringing in. When it's done, your new contacts will appear in your smart lists, ready for you to segment, follow up with, and plug into your workflows.